In early November 2019, I got poison oak. It's ended up lasting 2.5 months, and I still have little spots showing up. Pretty sure I got it while I was cutting up dead trees for firewood, but I might not be able to get rid of it because of these darn cats.
You come, Bill? Good girl. It's Craig.
Our house is by I-5 and the trees are bare right now. I'm used to it by now, so I didn't notice it on our walks, but I sure did while editing this video. Anyway, on nice days I take my cats for a walk. They follow me around and usually come when they're called. Princess Isabella Maria Lucia is still an active little kitten. Scrag has turned into a fat, lazy lab cat, even though he's only 8 months old.
Bella. Scrag. Wow. Wow. Come here, buddy. Scrag cat. Pretty girl. Did you find a spot? Good girl. I don't know if that boy can fit through there. Come on, Belle. That's my buddy. Come here, Scrag. Scrag cat right there. Good boy. Come on, buddy. It's a good kitty. Good girl. Good Bella cat. What an adventurer.
I still have poison oak even though I wash them after walks, so it's probably not these little rascals' fault.